Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. We have limited our studies to acute angles in class 10. The angles which we deal with are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. A table which shows the trigonometric ratios for the above mentioned angles will be shown next. This is the table for standard trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Don't get tensed on seeing a long table of values. Here you can see the first three trigonometric ratios. Learn it by heart. As you know, cosec, sec and cot are reciprocals of sine, cos and tan respectively. So here you should learn sine ratio for 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Similarly for cos and tan. If you take the reciprocal of the ratio of tan, you will get cot. If you take the reciprocal of cos, you will get sec. And if you take the reciprocal of sine, you will get cosec. So, let's read the table once. Sine 0 degree, the value is 0. Sine 30 degree, 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree, 1. Cos A. Cos 0, 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 90, 0. If you compare sine and cosine values, you can see that the value of, if the angle increases from 0 to 90, the value of sine also increases from 0 to 1. If the angle increases from 0 to 90 degree, what happens to the cos values? It decreases from 1 to 0. And you can see, if I write 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, it is the reverse order for cos. Now what is tan? Tan is sin theta by cos theta. So if you do 0 by 1, it's 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. What is the answer? That is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. What's the answer? Root 3. And 1 divided by 0. What is that? Not defined. Any number divided by 0 is not yet defined. So, one thing for sure, if you learn sine values by heart, you will get the entire table clearly. It's not necessary to learn 3 ratios. If you learn sine values by heart, you will get the entire table without any confusions. So, better you can learn sine values, cos values and tan values. Okay, the next exercise, that is exercise 8.2, is completely based on this table. You have to substitute the values for sine, cos and tan of specific angles. Let's see the first question. First question, sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus Sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree. As usual, using BODMAS, you will do the multiplication first and then add. So what is sine 60 degree? As you haven't learned the trigonometric ratios, we'll go back to the previous slide and see what is sine 60. What is sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And what is cos 30? It is again root 3 by 2. So sine 60 into cos 30. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. What is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2? It is 3 by 4. Now what is sine 30 and cos 60? Let's see. What is sine 30 and cos 60? Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is again 1 by 2. Now, so what is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. What is that? It is 4 by 4 and it's equal to 1. So, sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree into cos 60 degree is equal to 1. Next question. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sine square 60 degree. Students, you can see square here. So, take tan 45 and square it. Here also, cos square 30. Take the value of cos 30 degree and square it. Sine square 60 degree. Similarly, take the value of sine 60 and square it. Now, you know what is tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. You can see here, tan 45 is 1. Then, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Here, 1 square is 1 itself. You have multiplication of 2 here. 2 into 1 square. What is cos 30? We have seen that it is root 3 by 2. So, cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. Sine 60 also it was root 3 by 2. So, sine square 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 the whole square. Now, simplifying this. 2 into 1, 2. What is root 3 by 2 the whole square? It is root 3 square is 3. 2 square is 4. So, it is 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. You can cancel here. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is 0. So, the final answer is 2. So, the final answer is 2. Next question. Cos 45 by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. What is the question? Cos 45 degree by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Let's see what are the values for cos 45, sec 30 and cosec 30. So, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. Then sec 30. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. What is cosec 30? It is 2. Now, we are going to substitute these values in your question. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 is equal to 2. Now, students, listen here. The denominator you have a fractional addition. 2 by root 3 plus 2. Here I am multiplying it with root 3. the entire equation by root 3. So, root 3 by root 2 by into 2 plus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. How did you get root 6? Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Clear? Now, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. In order to avoid root in denominator, you will multiply with 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Here the subtraction formula for the same thing. Here you have written 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. You are multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 2 root 2 plus minus 2 root 6. Do you know why you are doing this? To apply the identity a plus b into a minus b. You are doing this to apply a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. Let's see. Now, 2 root 2 the whole square is 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. So, 4 into 2. And 2 root 6 the whole square. 2 square is 4. So, root 6 square is 6. So, what did you get here? Here 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus, here what did you get? 4 into 6, that is 24. You will get 8 minus 24, that is minus 16. 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18 is equal to 2 root 6 minus 6 root 2 by minus 16 is equal to, here I am taking 2 outside, 2 into root 6 minus 3 root 2 by minus 16 equal to 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. By this, we'll stop this video. We'll continue in the next video.